Hello friends, today we are making corned beef hash from our leftover corned beef. You can find that video link in the description below. Start by finely dicing a medium onion, 2 cups of corned beef, making sure to cut off any excess fat, and 2 cups of potatoes. Turn on heat to medium-high. Once hot, add 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter to a large skillet. Once the butter is melted, add your onion and potatoes to the pan. Cook potatoes over medium heat until softened. This usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally. Make sure to adjust your heat if needed. If your pan is too hot, turn the heat down to medium-low. Pepper to taste. You don't want to add salt or seasoning as the corned beef is already seasoned and salty. Add more butter if needed. We ended up adding 2 more tablespoons. Add your corned beef once potatoes have softened and stir. Allow to cook for 3 to 5 minutes or until browned to your liking. Flip in sections and allow to cook for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. Continue cooking and stirring for 3 minutes or until corned beef hash is cooked to your liking. Turn off heat and you are ready to serve. We hope you like this recipe and try it. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!